My name is Abraham Romo. I go by Abe.
My name is Gina Williams.
My name is John Moore.
I'm Jennifer Tata.
I'm Andy Swain.
It's amazing how much one person can affect change.
We kind of all have that spirit that we want, that we care, and that we want to give back in some way, but you don't know how to do it. So when we step up and just give something, we know that they've already done the work.
We are all part of the community.
And it's part of us as the community to just help make that work.
I think it's important for all of us to be involved in the United Way campaign because it is such a great organization to help leverage what's out there today and look at the community as a whole.
All you have to do is just give, just plug in and connect with that mission, and United Way, which is us collectively acting, make sure that things take place.
It's fun.
Giving back just feels good.
It feels always great to give back.
It's such an easy thing to do.
You really are benefiting the community that you live in, the fact that you can make a difference.
Giving back to the people that really need it.
My actions can make a positive impact on other people's lives, and if I have a choice, I'd rather make a difference for the better than for the worse.
I've seen what it does in our communities in so many different ways.
And it's not always about writing the check. It's about seeing how you can make a difference in people's lives.